Okay, I've got all the got all the springs onto their levers, and you can see that if I push them from the back, all the levers move individually. Yeah, that one there, and if I stick a random number in and clear the register, it zeroes quite nicely. So the carriage end of it, short of putting the covers back on, that's now finished. The thing I do have to say about this is that with it being a Model 3, it's the simplest one there is. The Model 13 and the 113 both have a back transfer mechanism where there's a set of gears that run along here, and they're attached to another lever, which is it's very difficult reinstalling the carriage because you have to latch the wheels of the transfer mechanism in the upper position, and then offer the carriage into the body of the machine while keeping the lever raised, and it's just a big jiggle, and it takes it can take quite a long time before you finally get the thing into the right position. And the counting mechanism is simplicity itself. The wheels all rotate independently, so there's no tens carry. The Model 113 and 103 both have tens carry mechanisms, which makes this end of the machine, the counter, very much more complicated than this. You'll see in the end plate here there's various mysterious extra holes, and this is and these are where there's all the extra mechanisms that go in the more high-end machines. So obviously they quite a lot of common components between all the different machines, but there's the 113 is much more complex than this. And this is difficult enough, and the funny thing is that the result register, I've never had a problem with it. They always seem to work well, and everything moves as it should, with a little bit of lubrication. But the counter registers, always, in my experience, these detent levers are stuck to the shaft, and the control registers are nearly always completely gummed up. Obviously this one isn't anymore, but that's the main fault with these machines is the left hand side of the carriage and the control register. I've never experienced anything actually broken in these machines. It's always just solidified lubricant. Next thing I'll do is go on to the actual body of the machine, and I'll see you next